Have you ever needed to transform a plain text file into a structured CSV format using PowerShell? Whether you're automating reports, managing logs, or handling data, knowing how to import, format, and export files efficiently can save you time and effort. Let's get started. Before diving in, here's a quick overview of what we'll cover. 1. Importing a text file using PowerShell commands like Get-Content and Import-Csv. 2. Formatting and structuring the data, ensuring it's clean and organized. 3. Exporting the formatted data into a CSV file using Export-Csv. Let's break each step down in detail. The easiest way to read a text file in PowerShell is by using the Get-Content command. Here's how it works. Type getcontent-path, then specify the file location. This command retrieves the content of the file and displays it line by line. To work with this data efficiently, let's store it in a variable. We use the equals sign to assign the output of getContent to a variable called $data. Now, the $data variable holds all lines from the text file, allowing us to process it further. To format our text file properly, we need to split each line into structured data fields. If our text file uses commas as a separator, we can split each line like this. This breaks each line into an array of values that we can later export to a CSV file. To properly structure our data, let's convert it into PowerShell objects. We do this using the PS custom object format. Now that our data is formatted correctly, we can export it to a CSV file using the Export-Csv command. This command saves our structured data as a CSV file, which can be opened in Excel or other applications. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We used Get-Content to import a text file. We formatted the data into structured objects. We exported the structured data as a CSV file using Export-Csv. These techniques will help you automate data handling efficiently in PowerShell. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PowerShell tips.